Hi, today I'm going to show you OneDie Content Management System, a single governed intelligent space where your organization stores, controls, and actually uses all of its documents. In most organizations, documents are scattered, policies are buried, and employees waste hours looking for information that already exists somewhere in the system. They ask HR, they wait, they get the wrong answer, and the cycle repeats every single day. You will see exactly how this solution puts an end to that, and how your employees can stop searching and start getting instant, accurate answers directly from your organization's own content. Unlike most systems where you adapt to the software, here the software adapts to you, from a simple directory structure all the way to complex multi-level workflows. Without any further delay, let's see it in action. Here is the main view. Multi-level folder tree on the left, built around your organization structure. Down here is where the customization lives, your metadata fields, and document types defined by your organization. When you open a folder, you immediately see every document inside it with its type, version, and last modification date. Every document has a quick actions menu. You can move the document from here, delete it, or upload a new version. Properties gives you the full metadata picture. In this example, you can see the proposal number, the proposal date, and the validity period. The View option opens the document itself, along with a full set of tools to interact with it. We will get into this shortly, but before we go deeper into the document level, let me show you the capability that changes everything. How many times do your team dig through folders, ask around, and wait only to get the answer too late or to get an outdated piece of information? We solved that. Select any group of documents you want, and this new button appears. When we click it, the system immediately starts processing your files. Let's try this. Give me the project, there's typo, leave it, project timeline, and it will handle the typo perfectly, and here it is, the project timeline. This is not just a chatbot working from a general knowledge, it's your own approved, governed content made instantly queryable. This is what we mean when we say intelligent content management. Now, let me show you the governance layer that makes all of this trustworthy. Let's say we have a new version of a document and we need to upload it. We come here to the action menu, new version, and upload our new document. Once uploaded, it doesn't go live immediately. Notice the lock icon here. It enters an approval workflow, and from that point, the document is automatically locked, no edits, no changes, until the approver reviews it and makes a decision. This ensures that what your employees are reading is always the right version, reviewed by the right person at the right time. Now, let's switch to the manager side. This is my tasks page, one unified view of everything that needs a decision across every connected system, like HR, procurement, warehouse, and CMS. Here is the version we have just submitted. The manager can view it, see all the details, review the document, and compare it to the old versions. Here we have two options, approve and reject. Now it's approved, it is the active version. Everything before it is preserved. Full history, full traceability, your team always knows exactly what changed, when, and who approved it. Going back to the CMS. Now let's see the new version. Now let's look at what you can do with a live document. First thing is to download it. Second thing is to sign the document, like contracts, acknowledgements, formal agreements, signed right here, with no printing, no scanning, no external tools, but just captured and permanently stored. Let's try this. After this, we have to place it. We'll place it like here, place it like this. Once we save, it's placed perfectly. Another option here is annotations. See the error. Let's write something like hello. We can place it wherever we want. Place it like here. Once we save it, it's placed here successfully. Third option is watermark. Watermark applies for sharing confidential documents. We can write everything we need in here, specify the opacity and the angle, and apply it. And as you can see, it's saved here as a confidential. Once we save it, it's placed here as a confidential document, and it's placed on all pages. Here is the version history. Here you can see all the version histories and download it. Last option is the lock. Lock is basically to lock the document from changing, so no other person can edit on it or change it. Now, let's see the audit log. Every action ever taken inside the system, like creating a new document, versions approved, annotation added, signature collected, all of them are logged and attributed to a specific user. You can already notice all the things we have created throughout this demo is already here. We can filter by the actions too. Now, everything you have just seen, every folder, every document, every workflow, even every AI response, all of it is governed by two things: users and access groups. Users, every person in the system is registered here, with their role and department. Access groups, this is where you define exactly who can access what and what they are allowed to do with it. Once configured, it runs itself automatically across the entire system. This is what makes every feature you have seen trustworthy. AI responses, approvals, collaboration tools, all operating inside a fully governed, fully controlled environment. That was the WindIS content management system in a nutshell. There's a lot more depth to explore, but this gives you the right picture of what it's built to do. If you want to see what that looks like for your organization, let's talk. We'll show you the full picture and map out exactly what's possible for your team. Thank you.